Foxy45 here, and Dogger2.
Yeah,
And
I had to change my name because I couldn't freaking sign in.
yeah.
Found my password somewhere. That's really sad.
Okay. Let's go play survival games because that's normally what I do. Okay.
Where are you?
I'm right here, Beth. Let's go. One is open for us.
Oh,
Yay.
we're gonna play Dry Bow Valley.
Oh, hi. I'm at her house right now and her cat is hitting her head against my head. And it was funny.
1 second.
Where are you? You're invisible. Wait, this started? Oh, no, it didn't. I don't see you. Cat just like
Okay. Yeah, they purr weird. It's like really weird. Oh, I sound like a girly girl. I don't like it. Ooh, Ender Girl. You forgot your L. You forgot the L on Ender Girl. Shout out to you. Learn, there's an L in girl. Well, somebody's getting comfy.
The cat. Aw, let me get in there. Let me in the hole. What? That's sweet.
Thanks, y'all.
Woo! Hi, I'm in a hole. Do you see my head? Look at my head. It's so dark on your screen. Do you have a... Oh. Kitty?
I don't know how to do brightness. Oh.
If they're outside cats, how do they keep their white fur so white?
I don't know. I really don't.
Do you see me? Do you see my head?
What happened?
I broke this block. I did it for fun.
What are you looking at?
She likes my pants, apparently.
Oh, I just switched it out.
No, you have to do it perfectly. I'm starving. We got this. We got this.
Wait, is it done? Are we going?
Every
30 seconds, Leah. 30 seconds to get prepared. Go for that chest right in front of you. Just do it.
GG, everyone. GG means good game, for all of you who don't know. Oh, hey dear. Little kitty.
Yeah, the kitty that is loving on Miss Fire Foxy over here.
No. It's starting. I'm sorry. So much love, so much love. Sweet. Run!
Fire!
The cat is like right in my face.
Fire! Where are
Seven days,
you? Foxy!
I'm right here. Someone's
Okay,
asking
let's
me
go
help.
this way.
No, get in the crowd. Someone's asking me. I'm sorry. Ah! Don't kill me! No! Run! Someone threw a sword like in my way, and I could have picked it up. Come on, follow me. No one's over here. Are you coming?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Please do not kill me. They're all in the team. No water is on our team. Oh my freaking god! That's a 4-player team. 5.
We're two. Okay, this is getting stuck.
Yeah, it is.
There's a train over here that we can jump on.
Oh, there's a guy over
people
here.
there.
There's a Steve over here with a leather helmet and leather boots.
Okay, that's bad.
He probably raided it all, but I don't have a weapon. I have chicken and a potato. Chicken. I slap him in the chicken.
I'm gonna slap him with some axe. I have. Where'd he go?
He's glitching. He's over here though. Let's go.
So he's a glitcher or a hacker?
No, he's not a hacker. He's just glitching out his game.
Chest!
Get in it. I'm gonna go over here. Oh, he's on the other side. Sorry, I didn't recognize name, then saw it was you. Oh. Come over here, little noob. See, look, he's like... wait, you want a team? Jetpack. Team Jetpack team. Are you over here?
No, I'm inside the thing. Have you ever noticed what's up on the grasser block that works on? Here. Where?
I'm going in the back of the train.
I want in the front.
Okay.
Hey, they got a friends up here.
Okay, I can't get it down anyway. I'm on, Are you in the train, actually?
Yeah, I'm in a profile.
Yeah, I'm falling now.
Mountains though, with that black stripes around it.
Okay, I'm going in the train. Jetpack.
Are you on my team?
Yeah, he's on the train. I told him that he was on the train. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Waiting. Oh no. Is he really that big of a noob?
Where is he?
I don't know.
I see a chest. I can't get to it though.
Chest have been refilled. Wow. That's a great time to be in the middle.
Great time, but
It's
know,
rated
I
with
see
a
a chest
5-player
right where I'm at.
team.
oh
Hey.
yeah.
Okay.
Maybe. Okay.
Okay. Planned area was here. Okay then.
Are you coming?
Oh, the kitty
Hey,
bird.
girl.
Bro, we're gonna die in
Yeah,
deathmatch. We have nothing. Well, I have chicken and a potato and a gold helmet and chestplate. Should we go to that waterfall? I think we should.
I don't know. Is there something behind it? Somebody's killing me in their invisible lair. I'm scared. Somebody's invisible and they're trying to kill me. Help. Help. I'm in the water. I'm at the fountain.
I say yo. Coming.
They're after me.
I see nobody.
I'm
Jetpack. Jetpack no. Jetpack, I swear. Jetpack no.
What's he doing? He's got a sword in his hand.
Jetpack, you kill her. Oh, you're chasing him. Don't kill him. Okay, good.
Why you go up?
No, he's trying to hit you. Didn't go fast. You're drowning. Oh, thank God. Now go forward.
I'm going forward.
No, I'm talking about I don't think you can understand text. hide out here all day.
What about Jackpack? Tell him. Oh my god. I'm so about to die.
Okay, I think he's guarding.
Nope.
Oh my god, whoa, all I have is a stone sword. Wow, so I died. I'm gonna have to end the episode soon.
I died.
Okay.
But I got 4 survivors left. I was the last